In this video, I'm going to be talking about dependencies. So in your Linux journey, you're going to be hearing about dependencies. Or you might run into a problem where you need a dependency, or that you're having a problem with the package manager and it's saying you have a dependency problem. So what is dependencies? A dependency is a file that something you are trying to install requires. And this explanation is a little bit better. Sometimes when you install programs, they rely on other programs to work. These other programs are called dependencies. For example, if I write a messaging application and I want my messages to be encrypted, instead of creating a way to encrypt the messages myself, I'll use a package. You remember a package? You remember libraries, right? A library. Went over those in the previous videos. I'll use a package that someone else has written, which will do the encryption for me. Now, when you want to install my program, you need my program, but you also need the package I use to encrypt the messages. My program depends on the other program, so it's a dependency. When Ubuntu installs new programs, it installs them from a big warehouse of programs called a repository or a repo. We'll go over that in a future video. It's quite clever too. If it notices that a program depends on another program, it will install both at the same time, so you don't have to worry about it. However, problems come up when a program depends on another program, but Ubuntu can't find it in the repositories. This happens more often when there is a new version of Ubuntu, because a new version of Ubuntu means a whole new repository. And sometimes not all programs are updated for the new version of Ubuntu and therefore aren't in the repository. Over time, as programs get updated and added to the new repository, this problem should happen less and less. I hope that helps. So that's what a dependency is. It's a file, or it's code, or it's a program that another program needs to work, right? And so when you install something through, say, the package manager, such as apt, if there is a dependency problem, it will tell you. It'll highlight an error. I have not come up with that problem yet, so I couldn't be able to show you. But yeah, it's something that could happen, and so you might end up with a dependency problem. And if you do end up with a dependency problem, now you have an idea of what it is. There's a dependency, there is some code, some file, some program that something you're downloading needs to work, and Ubuntu or apt can't find it. And that's my little video for today. If you guys like these videos, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and help the channel out. Appreciate you.